John Speweik with Speweik Preservation Consultants, and we're out here at 1 West Wilson in Madison, Wisconsin, putting together the stone cleaning training program for the masons on this project. And you'll see here behind us is the hydromobile scaffold. It's going to take us up. The training included a study of the Secretary of Interior standards for rehabilitation, along with the National Park Service Technical Preservation Briefs Number 1, assessing cleaning and water repellent treatments for historic masonry buildings. Following the lecture, participants were released to the wall where they executed work with cleaning equipment and became familiar with various techniques and methods for masonry cleaning of the exterior walls to meet the specification requirements. Wood troughs were constructed on site and lined with reinforced plastic sheeting to capture the water runoff from the cleaning process at the base of the wall. After a 10-minute dwell period, the cleaner was rinsed using a cold water power washer monitored at 800 psi. A 40-degree fan tip was used. Now at the top of the wall, we're ready to clean, and we got this depth of a couple of duct tape, measured 10 inches from the tip, so that we have a 10-inch distance from the wall. We actually applying the water to the wall. We're going to start doing that right now.
The application of the cleaner was done in a double soak technique. First, the wall was pre-soaked with water, then the cleaner was applied from the bottom up and allowed to dwell for 5 full minutes.
The copper is actually coming clean from the residue of the chemical coming off the copper. You can see where the cleaners were actually working. The copper's coming clean. It's another 5 minutes. You're hitting for a second time. There's another 5 minutes. Okay, we got this section of the wall clean now, and you can see the difference between this clean area and this area that we haven't cleaned yet. Dwell time 5 minutes, came back, let it set, then hit it again, dwell time another 5 minutes, get a thorough rinse with 10 inches away from the wall. And that's our finished product of the granite. All the grime is off the brick and off the granite together now as we go down, and you can see how clean the brick is.